You've probably heard it so many times that you should try as much as you can to get 4 to 5 servings of fruit and 4 to 5 servings of vegetables every day. But have you ever wondered, what does that actually look like? How do I know that I'm getting enough? So I'm just going to be showing you a few options. If you're looking at something like this, like peas and carrots, like I use the frozen kind. This is about 80 grams and this is 1 serving of vegetables. So if you're serving yourself rice and stew, for example, you can easily get away with eating about 3 portions of this, which will give you 3 portions of vegetables for the day. If you're looking at something like spinach or any kind of leafy greens, you're looking at, a bigger size of leafy greens. So this is about 80 grams of spinach and this is a typical 1 serving of vegetable. In terms of like loose leafy greens. And then if you're looking at servings of fruit, so this apple, as you can see, is like a tiny small sized apple, is actually about 90 grams, so about 10 grams more than you need in terms of like achieving your 1 serving of fruit per day. And then if you look at this banana, again, we're considering it without the peel. The actual size of the banana without the peel is about 80 grams. With the peel, it's over 100 grams, but we're not eating the peel. So if you look at about this size of banana, will give you about 1 serving of fruit per day. And then if you're looking at a fruit like this has about 180 grams. So this fruit actually has about 2 servings of fruit in it. As you can see from these portions, it's so easy to get your daily requirements of fruits and vegetables if you are actually conscious about getting them. So how would I go about getting all of this? I would typically blend like maybe 2 portions of vegetables with like a portion of fruit. Actually, I do 3 portions, 3 to 1. So I would do 3 times this with about 1 banana. So by breakfast, I've already had most of my servings of fruit and some of my vegetables. And then I would add this with something like rice, or fried rice, or jollof rice, or even white rice as a side. And it's a good way for you to get your vegetable requirement. And then I would just snack on something like an apple as like a quick after lunch or before supper snack.